Hello there. Do you know that you don't need to know how to program or code HTML, CSS, or JavaScript for you to be able to start designing your own beautiful and engaging website? Whether it's a personal portfolio website, which is a great idea if you're a job seeker, or your e-commerce website for all my people who are into business or selling of stuff on WhatsApp or on other social media, or even if it's a company or brand profile that you want to set up, maybe just a small website or something even big for your brand. You don't need to know how to code, and you don't need to break the bank or pay 50 or 100,000 naira to be able to design or host your own website and enjoy all the great benefits that this can give to you or your business and your life entirely. So in this one-day course, I'm going to take you through how you can simply start designing your own website today. In one day, we are going to go through a very practical method of designing using simple drag and drop methods that wouldn't cost you any extra money. All you have to do is to click on the link either below or above to register for this one-day masterclass with me, and I'll show you how I've been able to go from zero knowledge about web design to charging as much as 500,000 naira for a single website design. So all you have to do is click on the link, sign up to this course, and let us get into how you can design powerful, engaging websites without knowing how to code in either HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. I know a lot of us are afraid of all those code stuff, things, and all, you don't need to know any of those things. All you need to do is just use your mouse. You have a laptop or a desktop, you have a mouse, and you have your brain, and all you have to do is sign up for this course, and you'll be able to simply drag and drop and design your own powerful website that will show everybody that you're serious for business, that you're here, and this 2021, your business is going viral and international. Sign up to the course right now at 50% discount, and I'll see you in class. Don't fail to sign up now, because the class can actually go back to 100% price as it was before anytime soon. So click on the link, sign up to the course, and of course, I'll see you in class. Thank you for watching. See you.